Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable K. Haj Muhammad Hassan Mutawakkil Allah SHMM is caregiver of Zainal Hassan Genggong Islamic Boarding School. The Honorable Associate Professor Dr. Abdul Aziz B. Aimage is Rector of Zainal Hassan Genggong Islamic University. The Honorable Dr. Zainuddin MPD is our respected lecturer and supervisor. And for our beloved lecturer, Mr. Nawawi Ifan MPD. Here I'm Halimatus Sadiah. Today I will talk about social issues that's happening in Indonesia. And here my topic is social issue about the environmental in Indonesia. Okay, start from my opinion about the environmental that's happened in Indonesia. In my opinion is the problem of environmental damage is a very serious social issue and should be our top priority. Why? The environmental is not just the responsibility of the government or environmental organizations, but that's the responsibility of every individual. I believe that many of the natural disasters that have occurred recently, such as floods and landslides, are actually caused by human behavior itself, such as littering and illegal logging. So that's why environmental damage occurred due to a lack of public awareness. And as Indonesian citizens, we must start being disciplined in this point of waste and preserving nature from now on. And here there are 5 examples of environmental that's happening in Indonesia. For the first example is environmental damage. Yes, might be such as littering, the culture of throwing trash carelessly. Waterway causes flood or piles of plastic waste that drive into the sea. Example, many trash everywhere. And we can see in every place in Indonesia that many people are throwing rubbish everywhere. And the second is natural disaster, such as geographical location. Yes, of course, Indonesia is located at the confluence of tectonic plates and active volcano, and we can call it such ring of fire. You know that? And the example is earthquake, tsunami, and volcano eruptions such as Mount Merapi and Mount Semeru. And the third example is climate change. Yes, we can call it global warming. That's the Earth's temperature rise that alter weather pattern. And the example is unpredictable weather in Indonesia. And the fourth is clean water crisis. Yes, water scarcity. The decreasing water availability of potable water. And the example is many regions in Indonesia face difficulties obtaining clean water. And the last example is natural resource exploitations, such as illegal mining maybe, and the extraction of natural resources without permit and safe management. And the example is illegal gold mines using mercury. Yes, the next slide I will give you how to create a clean environment. Yes, here are some steps can be taken to create a clean environment. For the first example is managing waste and sorting and recycling. And the second example is reduce plastic use. Yes, we can start cleaning up the rubbish scattered on the street and around it. And also to reduce the use of plastic in Indonesia. And the third is clean the environment regularly. And also, we as society in Indonesia must always clean the environment so that it remain and maintained, such as by holding community service and or mutual cooperations. And the fourth is public education about the importance of cleanliness. And I think that's are some steps that can be taken to clean an environment in Indonesia. And my conclusions about environment that's happening in Indonesia, that is cleanliness is the responsibility of all of us. So start this awareness from yourself and spread to the surrounding environment. So finally, we also have to tell each other in society that keeping the environment clean will not only have an impact on the beautiful environment, but will also make us comfortable with nature. So I think maybe that's all from me. If I have many mistakes, pardon me please. In the last I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.